What are you making?
A snowman, and look how it turned out. Come here and see. Come right here.
Okay.
And look.
Peekaboo. Oh, wow.
The nose is a bit bad, but look at the bow. I just
Okay,
double
let's
knotted
see.
it.
Okay, let's see.
I
Finish it
double knotted
up.
it and I finished it off.
What else do you need to put?
I need to put a hat.
A hat.
Yeah, for snowman.
Okay. Snowman has a hat. Wow. Where's the ice?
Wait. I think the eyes need to go. I never made snowman in my life before. It's the first time.
It's your first time to make snowman?
With crystal eyes. I'm gonna put crystals as eyes. Oh. Hard. Okay, I'm gonna put it this way. It looks better. Look, it actually looks like an eye now. Look at that. Like eye. Ah! They're freezing holes, my hands. And they're red.
Okay.
This looks like an India, so I'm gonna make it nice. Okay, good?
Mm-hmm.
Wash it out so it looks pretty. I think that snowman looks good, right? It looks like her crazy eyes.
I think the nose is too low. It should be over here.
Yeah, let's try again. Okay.
Uh-oh, it's scary.
Oh, I got the mouth! Okay, I'll repatch that.
Put the gloves on, please.
Wait. Ow.
Put your gloves. It's going to be very cold.
Okay, so I'm gonna put the eyes. This is so hard. Okay, that's one eye. Good? Second eye's on the floor. This is impossible.
Make
Mom.
sure they're balanced. Not too close. Okay, let me see.
Balance?
Wow, it's pretty.
Her name is Lisa.
Lisa?
Yeah.
Okay.
And for the mouth, we'll probably...
Happy face. Put the arms first.
No, you're supposed to... Okay, I'll just do it. These are the arms, 1 and 2. Okay, I got it. I don't need help.
Do you need help?
Yeah, just put the phone on the bucket. Okay. I
Oh,
almost broke it. Almost.
you did.
No, I didn't. Look.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Lisa has a good arm, anyways.
Okay.
Yeah, Lisa has a bit of a broken arm, but it's okay. We'll find a way to put it back.
Ah!
I think we'll need to get a new stick, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Lisa's arm, new arm. I just found it over there. You know, patch it. Okay, patch it like that.
Make sure it's thick. Now what else?
Okay. I think Lisa.
Happy face.
Yeah.
Maybe 3 stones? You're gonna put 3 stones?
Lisa, let me put your mouth in here. You can't talk. You want to talk or not, Lisa? Lisa, don't act.
Be gentle.
I don't want to break you, Lisa. I'm already talking to my own friend. Ah!
How is it going? Let me see. What?
My mom helped a bit. My mom helped a bit.
Yeah,
Do you know what
thank
should be on
you.
the side? Because it looks better.
Wow, that looks better.
Yeah.
And what's her
on the
name?
side.
What's her name?
Lisa.
Lisa. Lisa the snowman. So what did
Snow
we
girl.
Snow girl. Okay, sorry.
Okay, now the last. Ah, what was that?
It's okay.
Okay,
There you go.
last but not least.
Perfect.
Oh, just precise it. Last but not least.
What are you
That
gonna?
It's a crazy hat.
That's a summer hat.
Exactly. Ooh, she's.
I don't think that's appropriate, is it? Where's the scarf?
She doesn't need a scarf. She looks better without a scarf. Okay. I have this. This mommy
You can
said-
take off your hat. I mean take off your gloves.
It's okay. Let me push this side one here.
Let me help
We
you.
want to be careful because she's just snow.
Okay, let me help you. Okay. Somebody's-
She's beautiful, beautiful.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Snowman. But the only thing left to do is almost. But I have one more thing to do.
Hmm. That's a cute snowman.
Snow girl.
Snow girl, sorry. And
Here's
what
my
else?
Olaf hat from when I was little. I think that's not gonna do.
Go on that. Yeah, there you go.
How about
No, 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 no.
this? Does not look good on her.
Mm.
It does
There
not
you
look
go.
good. It does
No,
not.
that's it.
Wait, how about we make it a blue hat instead?
Okay,
Blue hat. Here we come.
you decide. Ah, that's better.
Wait, other way, because I don't want to show the name tag.
Go on the other side.
I don't want to show the name tag. Name tag was something. Oh, from Disney. Don't judge me about having a Disney princess hat. Some people out there hate Disney princess, but I don't care. She's beautiful, and she's just like me.
Okay, let me take a picture of the two of you.
Wait a sec. I'm gonna make a bow. Bow, here we come. A bow. I don't think it looks good, right? That's it.
All right, she's done.
If you want to make a snowman, just call my mom. If you want, if you're friends with my mom, I can come and play date with you. And then we'll make a snowman. If you have snow. Everyone has
Okay,
snow, right?
not everyone.
Not everyone. Because sometimes you can live in the hot places. But when you're here, you can fly. And then you can come here where it's all snowed. And you have to pack and buy nice winter stuff. A hat, jacket, snow pants, and boots. And scarf.
And
A hat. I hope you have a good day. Well, it's probably night there. Time changes around. So, good night. Or goodbye. Or good morning. I hope you have a good time. Bye.